Miche mag jochiw thieth mawuok e kaunti ma Kisii obago ng'anyo e bomano ewi lwasi marach mar tich. Jotijego koro dwaro mondo winjruok mane gibedo godo gi sirikand kaunti ma Kisii mondo oketie tim. Ng'anyo ma kamano manochakore od thieth maduong' mar Rufaa ma Kisii nyaka e log tich mar kaunti no dwaro mondo kaunti oketie tim winjruok manobedo kama oting'o medo kwan mar jochiw thieth, chulo osachgi e wang' saa kod keto maber lwasi margi mar tich. Jochiw thieth wacho ni tend kaunti ma Kisii osetamore romo kodgi ka gisingo mar rocho chenro mag ute thieth duto 169 e kaunti no.
We are here because of the strike which we commenced on 8 August 2025. Up to date, the county government of Kisii was given opportunity to address these issues which have been long-standing for 5 years, more than 5 years. They didn't appear to negotiate and iron out these issues. That's why it has made nurses to go on strike. Some of the issues which has made the nurses to go on strike, number one, is conversion of universal health coverage nurses to permanent and pensionable terms, implementation of return to work formula 2017, CPA negotiations, shortage of nurses.
When we came to the meeting that they invited us, they had no agenda. We gave them our demands, but they failed to counter our demands. What they are saying that the return to work formula is outdated, and I want to say that they need to be serious when they have come on the table to negotiate. They should stop jokes.
Sasa wauguzi sisi haturudi kazi. Kuna watu wana viburi kwa Kisii County, hakuna kurudi kazi mpaka wapunguze viburi, wakutane na ma-officials wetu, wasort issues out. Thank you so much. So help me God.
Jacob Madul